What's happening? Well, she's day 2 of the Christmas cold starts. It was just too dark last night. Hey, pretty girl. It was just too dark last night to really see anything. So I was like, we'll wait and do it tomorrow. It's supposed to be cold, and well, Christmas miracle. Not really, but it's warm out. My camera's clicking there, flashing, tripping out. That's all right. Anyway, let's do some more cold starts. And even though it is warmer, I mean, as you can see by the big power wagon, which doesn't have a motor in it right now, so sorry. But as you can see, everything's hermetically sealed with snow. So even though it might be -5 or something right now, it's under some of the hoods, it's still probably -20. You know, I might find a temp gun and test that theory, because a couple of things I got are, you know, a foot under snow. So, oh, furnace is still kicking in. Anyway, well, broke twisted grass. All right, so right out of the gate, smashed my phone holder, so I just took it inside and perma-texted it. She's just a 2-part epoxy. So we'll let that glue itself to my hood. Fuel pump for a diesel. When are we putting that on? Oh, pardon me. That's another later cold start. Maybe I might try a cold start on this later too, because it's not that bad out. And I'd really like to move this International so I can shove all this snow down there. But, man, I get distracted easy. All right, well, let's try this once. All right, 65%. I don't think this will do it, but the old girl deserves to try. The glow plugs are just killing that battery pack, but at least if she cranks, if it's... Come on. Yeah, the old charge pack isn't having a good time. Man, I gotta get that hat thing fixed. Doing stuff one-handed ain't... That's fun. Oh yeah, forgot I did a window delete. Tough trucking this thing this summer. All right. No battery. Oh, I'm an idiot. We're not even... Man, this one I thought I couldn't get any stupider. Totally redeemed myself. Well, the Jeep will boost the Dodge. This one. Oh. Prime that pump a little bit. And the wiper should be off, but it sounded like they were trying. Excellent. 134K on this Butte. I want Craig to sell it to me. Sell it to me, Craig. I don't think this works. Oh, never mind. Well, let's see if we gotta shovel it all or if I can just drive ahead. Oh, flat tires too. Oh, and is there anything parked in front of me? And I'll pump the tires up, but when we get her out of here, oh yeah, she's clear. Don't hit nothing. Oh yeah, I can just look out the camera. That's way smarter. Alright, we'll let this thing frost up, or unfrost, and put some wind in the tires. Oh yeah, let's just sit down on the Jeep wood stove there. So I couldn't find booster cables, but maybe we'll try this booster pack one more time. I did charge it for a while. If not, we'll go on a hunt for booster cables, but I think since it's only a couple degrees below, I think we'll just skip the preheat and go right to cranking. Shit. Maybe snow will help it boost better. Oh, well. It would help if you hooked the other battery up. Oh, I think I hear a RAM charger. %, 2 batteries. There ain't no excuse not to start now. We can use a little bit of it. Well, why didn't I just hook the other battery up last night? You idiot. Don't go run into the truck, Charlie, or you'll be in trouble. Steve's here, but you wait for him to come here. Okay? Yeah, you just wait for him to come up. Yeah, you stay right here with Daddy and be a good girl. Okay. Charlie can't go run out in front of trucks. Eh? Yeah. You stay here, baby. This thing's still recording? Oh yeah. Well, see, I don't want to shovel this off right where it's at. So this way we can fire it up and move it. Shovel the snow off out by the field or something. You stay right here. Oh, this battery's dead. Or did I take it? Maybe I robbed the battery out of this. Maybe. Good possibility of it. What's happening? Yeah, this thing sounded sweet in the video. Fuck yeah. Check out the rust frame, see this thing? Yeah, sweet little plow truck. Nice and short. He's got Charlie in there with him. I guess now it don't matter. We're just gonna shove the snow down there. There. Lots of fun. There she goes. Good. I'm actually happy there's not a battery in it, because if there was one in it, it died. Beauty. What do you figure, a little Jeep? Oh, don't need them on there. Keys. Probably shouldn't have them in my pocket. With snow in there. Oil pressure right off the hop. What's that?
It was like you started a diesel.
It's a little smoky?
Just caught a blast.
It's good for it. That fan just ever so slightly touches the fan shroud, but that's all right. Never hurt nothing yet. Famous last words. Clutch feels weird. It's real rammy. Oh yeah, flat tire. Maybe we'll pump that up. Back out of there, good though. Wow. Oh, a bunch of them are flat. Haha, 3 flat tires and she drove out. That's probably the only reason she drove out. That's enough to roll her around without worrying about it. 15 pounds. Look at me spoiling it. More snow traction. Well, that, and it's only going to go flat again because I'm just going to move it and park it. Although I might have to go take it for a little rip in the field. Let's take this whole street here for a rip. All shoveled off and pumping up the tires in that second gen. Can't really see where I'm going, but as long as I don't hit my camper, it's fine. Aha! She bogged it in second.
I got a chain.
Oh, do you? Oh, sweet. I was gonna go grab my shovel, but
There's a short one that we can't hook up.
oh, it won't take much. That clutch, I tell you, she's grippy. Take the trail. All of third. Well, we gotta try it again. Just gotta get her can't lose her on the hill. That's all. There, descend it. Mint. Well, it's good. It passed the first test. I don't really know what kind of test it was, but beauty. And charge that battery. It's so fogged up. Excellent. Try to get this out of here now. See if we get this truck stuck. There. Put all that in the door pocket. I know what you're thinking, just put her in four-wheel drive. Well, when your front drive shaft isn't in there, it's not really an option. Should put it in. Oh, so close. No, I tried and fiddled with it some more, but she just wasn't coming out. So we'll just drag her out with the truck another day. But whatever, at least it's charging the batteries. I think everything's hooked up. All right. Okay. So ground over here. You want to make sure your battery's snow covered and frozen. That's good for it. And you also want to make sure that your positive post isn't the one that's going to rub up against everything metal. I don't think I robbed anything out of this truck. It might take a minute to prime, but if it takes too much time to prime, well, then we'll find a fuel priming supplement, we'll call it. Oh, you know, I could, if I fire this thing up, I could probably back it up a little bit. I wish I didn't slide my Dodge sideways. Wouldn't have been able to get it out of there. Well, probably not. With no weight, this thing's kind of useless. But this is the only question right now. Choke or it doesn't work. We'll just have to go pumping. Okay. No bueno. But I do got lots of sauce around. Gonna put this in the house. It works a lot better when it's warm, but that don't matter. Do we got spark? I don't know. I know there's fuel in it because the can's right there. So let's just test for spark this way. Don't be afraid you put too much. That's nonsense. Never too much. I do want to fire it up and back it up a little bit though. I don't know if all the tires are flat, but I'll find that out in a minute. All right, canned choke. Come on. She don't sound like she's got spark. Did I rob the coil out of this? Maybe. How come no sparky spark? Little guy. Oh no, that little goofy coil's there. All right, well, everything should be where it's got to be. I mean, come on now. It didn't even cough, so I'm definitely not giving it too much ether. I just think it's got no fuel at all, but whatever. We'll just open the fuel plate. Ah! Okay, well, before the battery dies, I got a solution for that. Oh, how about this guy? Looks of it. Oh, way too much. Get it all over you. I didn't think there was enough left in that can to fill this. All right. Well, so we know she's got spark now. So, if she's got spark, let's give her a drink right in the vent. Before we kill the battery, you need the battery pack. Come on, baby. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Choke was stuck on, but that's all right. It says the choke's off, but it looks like it's on. Come on. Come the exhaust plug. There's no exhaust. Don't look like she's pumping fuel. Okay, let's try to rock it backwards. Oh, now she cleaned her throat out a little bit. She will not move though. Maybe it's something to do with that. It being two-wheel drive, but all that matters is that she's alive again, even if it is cold. All right, well, since we can't go backwards, we tried that. What about forwards? Oh, not second. We got second. There's too much on the fuel. There we go. Third was like, nah. Let's try it again. It's a good driveline test. Nope. Hey, fire up now, though. Oh, like a new one. Alrighty. Well, I know we're not moving this thing out of here, so I guess we'll call that a success. It ran. I don't want to scratch it because it's not mine. And it also, in two-wheel drive, hasn't got a chance in fucking moving. See if she'll pop off anyway. Battery's probably too dead now. But, I mean, you're a coward if you don't try. And a bunch of you guys are probably watching that, saying, oh, come on, start the International. Well, who am I to deprive you of that? And don't worry, Craig knows that the patina on this thing is patina. And he wants to use it as a truck. So he's not worried about plastic touching the side of the paint. Like all you guys that don't like getting your feelings hurt. And say, oh no, how dare you touch a pickup truck. Well, yeah, I dare. Oh, indeed. We won't even get super excited about clearing the window until we even know if she'll fire. Now, one thing we will be very, very gentle of is that grill. We're not, might be slow, but we're not that dumb. We're getting her. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And we never hurt the grill. That's the main thing. I do have indeed hot sauce in my back pocket. And I was the one who got this running before. And you know what this truck deserves is let's give you all of the juice. You know what? That's a lie. Let's not do that yet. Let's see what she cranks like. We'll just give her a little hot sauce. Just a little bit. Look, can we go right in there? Give her that little tickle. See what she thinks of it. Because that door lock keeps dropping. But if I can get into this door, the old girl's plated and everything. There. Don't close. Idiot. Don't close, how about? Here, I'll just jam that in there. Enough. Hopefully you guys can still see what I'm doing here. Oh, I forgot to put a TV in there. Okay, distracted. Hey baby, it's been a while. You wanna run? Oh, I'll give you some choke. How about that? I can't remember if I robbed anything off of this, but what I do want to know did I rob anything? Has it got a coil? Yeah, everything's here. We should be good. Okay. Well, this thing's full right to the gills with fuel. Let's see if she pumps. Wow, the gills, I mean right there. Okay, I'll shut up and just pump fuel. How about this way? Yep. Oh, she's pumping already. Well, she's pumping all right. Here, let's move this. And we'll clamp these guys right to it. Let's try that. Give her a little spritz for how she going. And try her. Might not end up having a battery now. But we'll pull the choke on. Ha 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 ha. Come on. You don't want choke or you want choke? Oh. Kind of figured that was gonna happen. We're not gonna push that starter anymore. We're gonna let that starter cool down is what we're gonna do. And that semi battery won't fit. That's positive. And I know I've ranted about these batteries before, or these little Scamazon chargers before, intelligent chargers, but they're real good, in my opinion, because you get a readout. See, it's down 2/3, -5, 12.1, and actually the battery's showing that for a temperature. No wonder she's a struggling. And then we'll just let her buck. I have another one of those chargers here somewhere. Where are you? Right there. Oh. Before we go through all the agony of finding out that it's dead too, where are we sitting? Oh, -7. Oh, 12.4. Well, that's something. Let's go try that. Positive in the back, ground in the front. Battery's too big, but not for starting, it ain't. All right. Ooh, pinched me fingers. Let's get you right there. We need a little bit of you. Come on. You're right there. Oh, keys out. Sorry if this footage is nowhere near where it should be. Oh, I can't see the fire, but I can hear fire. And there's a jerry can under there, so just let her run, burn the fire out. Oh. There. I couldn't see the fire, but I could hear it. Maybe more fuel's the problem. That's probably not it, but I'm gonna, if it does fire, I'm gonna try getting it right in reverse. Backing up a hair. Oh, I hear fire again. Well, now she's not gonna get put out. Oh yeah, it's just a little fire. Ah, out. Try cranking her one more time. That might have cleared her throat. Oh, it's on fire again. I pulled the choke closer, but she's probably still on fire. No, the choke did it. Alrighty, well, it's New Year's Eve, 2024. And yeah, so today I got the plow gear all welded up. Did a little bit of pushing snow. And yeah, well, that international, I mean, it's not worth killing that starter. We'll fire that up later. Look at the fucking icicles. Anyway, guys, Merry Christmas, and hopefully everybody had a Happy New Year. And we'll try to get some more videos out in the New Year than we have in the last month. So, fucking hey, guys, I appreciate everybody, and hopefully everybody had a great holidays. Cheers, we'll catch you in the next one.